Well, hello again and welcome to my video. Today I'm hoping to build a gate or a pair of gates for a driveway. It's quite a long procedure, so I would just, if I was you, I would just sit back and relax and hopefully enjoy the video. Here we have the sections of 50mm by 30mm rectangular tube. These will form the outside frame of the gate. 4 pieces will have a 45-degree angle cut on them to form the headers. Okay, while this steel is cutting off, it's a bit noisy, but time for a cup of tea. And here we have all the pieces of steel cut up with their square ends where necessary and 45-degree angle ends where needed as well. 45-degree angles will form the top part of the gate, and they will have plates welded onto the top, so they just look like almost like a solid piece of steel. Here we see the lock being fitted, and then we'll have a quick scan round to show where all the joints will be welded up to make the main frame. Here we have the spearheads, which have been brazed into the spindles, ready to be fitted into the frame. As you can see, I've fitted 4 just to show what they look like. So that I can fit the panel in the bottom half of the gate, I need to fit some metal tags, for want of a better word, literally just so that the panel can be rested on and then welded into place. Here you can see me spacing them out. I've got another piece of metal underneath them just to give me the correct spacing, so that basically they're in more or less in the middle of the gate. This bottom panel is now in position. It's just going to be welded to secure it. I had to make the hinges basically because the type you can buy in the shops are a little bit flimsy, because these gates are pretty heavy. So on this last stage I'm just welding the hinges in, and then when this is done the gates should be ready for painting. So here we have the final stage of building these gates, which is 2 coats of water-based paint. Use a water-based paint basically because it's less damaging to the environment. Colour code is specified by the client, which is a blue-grey, and it looks quite nice. I like the colour of these gates. Here we have the gates completed in all their glory. I'm sure the client will be very happy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please look out for more videos in the future. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and I welcome any comments you may have to make. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.